Hello everyone. I am Mircea, one of the other TAs for this course, and I will walk you through on using a Haskell editor online if, for whatever reason, you don't want to install it on your machine. So in order to do this, you can just go to Google, search for FP complete. It will be the first hit, and then we go to developers and build a project. Then create a new project. You can do this without creating an account if you don't want to. We just give it a name, new project, create it, and there we are. You can see that there's already a template with a default main function implemented. We just say welcome to FP Haskell Center. You can run it by clicking this small arrow here, and you can see the output in the console. So let's just re-implement some of the functions you have seen before. In order to do that, we will create a new module. We just call it test, save it, and then you can see it's already open in this editor. Let's implement the double function, which just adds x to x. And then in order to use this function from the main module, we will need to import it. So you just import test, wait for the type checker. Everything went fine. And then let's print the result. So double takes an argument and adds it to itself. But in order to print it, we will need to first convert it to a string. So for that, we will use the show function. And let's try double 2. Wait for the type checker, everything went fine. Run it, and we can see that we have the result. Okay, so let's also implement the quadruple function by just applying double twice. The type checker went fine. We go to main. Let's print this also as well. So the type checker and run it, and you can see that we have the correct result. Okay, and as a last function, we will implement factorial, and which is just the product of all numbers from 1 to n. Okay, you can see the type checks, go to main, and print it again. Wait for the type checker, run it, and we can see that we have the result printed. So this is it. You can see it's very easy. If you don't want to install it, there is also the online option available. Thank you for your attention, and keep on hacking.